So I'm back talking about personal funnels. And one of the things I really feel like is important for us to understand and is a mindset shift. And so I'm calling it mindset magic. Got my alliteration there. Um, and it really can lead to explosive growth in your business. And it just takes a simple flip of the switch, a simple, well, me talking about it and pointing it out to you. And I really hope that it'll help you as you pursue personal relationships as a way to grow your business. So as a reminder, we're looking into the idea of personal funnels, growing your business through personal relationships. So how do we do that? Well, I think when people hear that, growing your business through personal relationships, they think that this is going to be about sales. And that's not all it is, right? And that's where the mindset shift comes in, all right? So I'll give you an acronym. The acronym is MICE, okay? And so when you meet with people, when you get to know people, you're not just looking for sales. You're not just looking for them to buy your product or your service. As you form deeper relationships, you might find a mentor, someone who has been in the trenches where you are and achieve success. And so if we talk about relationships being the fastest way to grow your business or leading to explosive growth, when you find that right person who knows how to solve the problems that you're currently stuck in, that's a huge jump ahead for you. That is explosive growth for you. So through building relationships, number one, as I said, the acronym is MICE. That M there is mentorship. The second letter is I, is introductions. You could meet someone and they could say, you know what? I don't think now's the right time for us to work together, but I know someone who can really help you, or I know someone that you can really help. And so they can be almost a force multiplier in who they introduce you to. You may even meet somebody that I call a super connector, which is they just love introducing people. And I've really run into some super connectors, and they've introduced me to a number of business owners and a number of important people that have really helped grow my business. All right. So we had M for mentors, I for that they make introductions, or someone who can make an introduction. The C is for camaraderie. And sometimes it's a fellow business owner who's stuck in the same spot that you are, or they know what it's like to be where you are, and they can kind of say, hey, listen, it gets better, don't give up, or they can kind of commiserate with you. One of my favorite places to meet those type of people is the Future Pro Group. And as you know, I'm partnering with the Future on this idea of personal funnels. And so I have met some of the best, highest quality people in the Future Pro Group, and I recommend that to you. So camaraderie. The next one is S for, let me look at my notes here. Oh, well, sales, right? At the end of the day, you are a business person. You do need to bring in money to sustain your business. And so that's last on the list because there are so many other great things that relationships can do for you. But yes, at the end of the day, you do need to find people to sell to so that you can sustain your business, so that you can grow. But all those other ones are just so powerful, right? So let me repeat that acronym again. It's MICE, right? So mentorship, getting a mentor, introductions that they can introduce you to other people, camaraderie, people who are where you are right now and understand what you're going through, maybe a shoulder to cry on. And then yes, sales, because you are a business person and you need to keep the business going. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. If you have any other questions about how to grow your business through personal relationships, hit me up in the comments. Check out the workshop that I'll be doing with the Future. I will link to that below. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.